What's going on? Mike Gooch Productions here in Snowmageddon, Staten Island, New York City. Beginning stages, probably about around 8 o'clock-ish p.m. And, I mean, this snow's coming down. Just shoveled the side of my house. Did a lot of fucking shoveling, but it doesn't even look like we shoveled. Crazy, all right? This snow is out of control. Here we go. Let's walk to the front of the house, all right? The Mike Gooch basketball court closed for the winter, or at least closed for the next few weeks still. All right. This place is gnarly. All right. Look at the snow coming down. Snowmageddon. What a way. Look at this. Straight up the block, coming this way. Craziness. All right, let's walk up. We'll even walk all the way up here. I mean, plow just came down. Not too shabby. We're going to build that mounted back up. Do a little sleigh riding on that. Calling for 2 feet out here in New York City. Craziness. We're here. It's the Great Wall of Gooch right there. All right. Snowmageddon. Looking up, looking down. New York City closing down. Boom, bang. No one's allowed to go in their cars come 9